Life is so funny. Oh, so absurd. 1 minute sunshine and next you're crying in bed. Life is so funny. Oh, you get blue. 1 minute sunshine and next it's raining on you. Some say I'm lucky, oh, but not in love. When I roll those dice, lucky, it never comes up. Girl, when you leave, one request I do have, oh, please leave me my bride. I have.
Hi besties, so I thought I would try to film a different kind of video. I haven't done like a day in my life or like vlog in a long time. I don't even remember when I filmed my last vlog, so I thought it would be a great idea because honestly I've been struggling to always keep up with like book content because like if I don't read as many books, I don't have new books and new book recommendations to film. So it's kind of hard to film and like keep filming recommendations. Yeah, I am just trying to switch up the content a little bit. I also uploaded, well, I'm starting to upload longer TikTok videos, like long TikTok videos. I just uploaded one. It's a haul, a book haul, and it's like 6 minutes. So I don't know, I'm trying different things, and you guys really helped me over on my Instagram because I asked you guys which videos you wanted to see, or just to help with video requests, video topics for me to film here on YouTube, and a lot of you guys commented like aesthetic videos or like vlogs, just really aesthetic and peaceful videos, which personally I love to watch those kinds of vlogs. So I'm more of like a type of girl who likes vlogs which are very toned down. If it's aesthetic, it's aesthetic, but very peaceful vlogs. So that is what I'm gonna try, and you're basically just going to see what I do in a day. If you want more talking parts, let me know, but I don't know, I just want to switch it up a little bit, give little life updates or things that I'm just tell you guys about things that I'm doing. So I've been doing random stuff all over my apartment. I think I'm gonna run some errands in a couple of minutes. I'm gonna eat lunch, normal stuff. And yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys with me. you.